Alrighty, let's take a look what these boys got cooking here. Benito! How you doing, bud?
Good.
Doing good?
Yeah.
How you doing, buddy? Buddy boy? Uh-huh. 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 What else you got left?
Only Justin.
Justing? Have you checked all Dave's lights?
No.
Why don't you do a quick light check while you're here? Dave, we're going to do a quick light check while we're here, okay?
Okay.
Beautiful day.
Yes, it is. You're looking skinny, man.
Lost 42 pounds.
You're thin. You're looking really thin.
I need to lose some weight. When are you going to get that cable buried?
They were supposed to be done no later than today.
Because I hate to tell you this, but being on the HOA now, you can't have
The
lawn
chairs?
chairs in your front yard.
Are you on the HOA now?
No, I'm just teasing you.
No, because I talked.
Imagine getting a letter in your mailbox.
I called them Monday. Well,
Look, you can have 3 chairs, but you're beyond 3 chairs
I
on
know.
your front yard. What's going on with
and
this?
I talked to them Monday, and they're like, "Yep, we'll no later than Thursday. BG&E will be out to mark the power." That hasn't happened. So even if Verizon shows up, they won't do anything because right now the power lines aren't marked. And they are actually is some shit by the corner of the house, right? They probably should mark it. I left the cable there so I could show. I said, "There's a big tree root here. You guys ran the fiber optic cable. It's right here. This is how you guys normally work. You run it over the top of an exposed tree root because there's a path of least resistance."
Yep.
Like,
and less cable. I mean, they go down to the inch on cable when they do house drops.
Yeah.
It's art
But
form.
I'm just saying that tree root was there when you started. It's not like you ran into it by accident. It's sitting 3 inches of motherfucking ground. I'm like, really, guys?
Oh, we see some crazy stuff too.
Yep.
They do.
42. So what have you cut out?
I just cut everything in half. He was eating. Trying to catch up with you.
I know it's hard though. It's hard as we get older to. Seems like I eat a lot less. I have to eat a lot. Yeah, I'm kind of the same way. I'm not I'm a 2 meal a day guy now. Like
Are you?
10 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Because I do like to have a glass of wine or a cocktail every once in a while.
I'd ask Mr. B here. Mr. B?
I think that's good.
90. I think I'm close another one on the corner. Go to my corner.
Okay, all right.
Then I'm coming to.
Wilder, don't you think these crepe myrtles would look good at Christmas time lit up?
He's working me.
They would look beautiful. Who originally put them in? Evergreen Jeans?
They're here when I get. There were 3 of them when I moved in,
They were?
and they've already had. I have them trimmed back every year.
Oh, I thought you planted these.
No, someone else had the house for 3 years before me.
Gotcha.
3 of them, and they're like, oh, like, why do you only need 1 on the corner? So I've debated taking this one out because the floodlight for the front yard sits behind that tree, so it does. I'm afraid if I take this one out, that one will die. So
David, they'd be beautiful lit up, illuminated.
I hear you. I hear you. I want a fixed income. They need to start charging me for these jobs.
Fixed
No,
income.
I always take care of the boys when they come over here. Hopefully that's okay.
You want to start take care of me? You take care of the boys? Oh, it's one way, huh? Take care of the boys and not old Mr. Bob.
I took care of these
I'm
guys.
just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I like that. I'm an over tipper, so a few bucks to buy lunch to these guys.
Goes a long ways.
Goes a long way.
Long ways.
And Walter, he's a good man.
That's why I signed him to this job this morning.
So should be in good shape. We'll see. It was so freaking expensive to keep mopping that bed.
Oh, is that what you were doing? Have you seen that little kitten down here? It came up to the house about a month ago.
It was down here about a month ago.
Anna gave it some salmon, came down here one Sunday and fed it, and then wanted to follow her up the street, because it's going to follow.
It's been a couple days here. It was in our garage one day.
Okay. And whatever happened to it?
I don't know. Hung around for 2 or 3 days.
Yeah, same thing.
And
Our house.
we didn't move it. We
Okay.
just let it.
Let it hang out.
No, I'm sure the other 2 cats and the dog probably at some point said, well, I don't want to be here. And actually, one day I was out in the backyard with our other cats, and they got along fine. But yeah, it was really.
I thought maybe one up here to this guy here.
It could be up there. I'd never seen it before.
But he
though.
came up to our yard one day. It was middle of the street. They came up, walked up the driveway like a dog.
Yep. Hey, did you get your lawn mowed Tuesday? Are we on the same schedule with On the Green?
Mm-mm.
It's weird. Because one time I said to him, wouldn't it be easier for you guys if you just did the 5 houses that are on the street the same day?
That doesn't happen.
And,
And they do Dunlaps and ours the same day.
and they do the common area
A different day.
by itself.
And then do you a different day.
They do me, and
But you're special.
I don't know why. I think there's also another guy. One of the Bills, I think, uses On the Green.
Oh, does?
Yeah, I said to him one day, I said, it'd be a lot easier scheduling-wise if you just knocked out all 5 houses.
No,
the
it
same
never
day.
happens that way. Your house and ours and Dunlaps are always different.
Always different.
And then the HOA is different. I can never figure that out either. But I thought maybe because they were setting the mowers different heights and things, so they different crews. There's a different crew that does ours and Angela's
Then
and Dan than yours.
Yeah. We've had the same 2 guys.
I don't know why that is.
I don't know why it is either. It seems like they make it way too hard on themselves. I've been waiting like 3 weeks now because I like to set up a contract to take away. There's a shitload of leaves in the fall. Like do it once, like around Thanksgiving, do it once middle of December. I can't get him out here to give me.
Oh, I thought you had a guy. The guy in the silver truck. The landscaper always texts
Well, I
me.
used Perry's guy,
Okay.
but he told me at the end of last year he didn't feel comfortable. My yard got kind of shy. I didn't feel like comfortable doing the fertilizer program. Like, well, I don't want to use one company to do like the fertilizer, and then someone else to mow. I'd rather just have someone keep an eye on it. And I'm not sure On the Green really keeps an eye on it either. You sign up for the program and they come, and then
I got you. So, but didn't that guy last year do your leaves in the silver pickup?
yeah.
You're welcome, Dave. Thank you, sir, as always. Willard, how we looking? Looking good? Hey, like these chairs. Get you dialed in here so we can be ready. Be ready for spring. Spring will be here before you know it. Got a long winter though.
I know.
Dave, be good.
I appreciate it. Thanks for checking out life right now. I'm pretty sure it's still working from last night. You guys swapped out tonight.
Benito, that gets older and older, steeper and steeper. He said last time you screwed up his lights, it was dark for months. Okay, better coverage. Hey, like these chairs. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.